Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Those of you who happened to get on for my live on Friday, thank you so much for coming by. It was my first live. It was so much fun. Today we have Fabfitfun Refills. Let's get into them and talk about it. Should have said we have today's refill spoilers. These are refills that will be in the fall FabFitFun box. If you are new to FabFitFun, I will put all of the information for FabFitFun down below. It is a lifestyle box. It comes out 4 times a year. You can buy it as a seasonal member or an annual member. Either way, you customize your entire box. I will put all of the information down below. I am a FabFitFun partner. If you sign up as a seasonal member, you will save 20% off your first box, and that is fantastic. Or if you sign up as an annual member, you will get a box, a gift box, a box of goodies from FabFitFun. But again, I will put all of that information down below. Today we are talking refills, and what refills are items that you can add to your box that will be added seasonally each time you order your seasonal box until you take it out. So you can get it every quarter when you receive your seasonal box, or you can receive it once and be like, yeah, I did not like this. It's easy. Actually, I read in their description, because I went looking for a better way to say it, because I say it the same way every time. And it said, when customizing your seasonal FabFitFun box, you can select refill items to be automatically added each season alongside your other choices. These will ship with your seasonal box and are auto-charged each quarter. You can cancel a refill subscription at any time. All active subscriptions appear in the My Subscriptions dashboard, formerly My Box. Canceling is typically just one click, and any change applies starting the next season. So even if you went in now, like if you got something in summer that you don't want in fall, you can still go in and take it away, because it's not fall yet, so it won't come with your fall box. The list I'm going to give you is not the total of the refills list. It has gotten huge because each season we add, like today, I think we have technically 11, but I condensed one of them. So I'm gonna tell you about 10 different things. We add that each season. So it's a pretty good list now. I get Cicapair and a hair leave-in. You know what? I probably don't need that. I should check with my mom, because she was using it too. It's a Briogeo that you put on your hair when you're going to air dry. And I air dry so seldom that I don't use it as much as I thought, but my mom did like it. And I was getting it every season, and we were alternating. So I just need to see if she likes it. But I think right now, those are the only 2 refills I have. But what they have added for our choices for the fall season, the Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. It has a $58 value, but it will be $23.40 as a refill. A lightweight cream that brightens the eye contour, smooths the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and moisturizes the eye area. It has Ruby Crystal Complex, that is a lightweight cream that brightens the eye contour, smooths the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and moisturizes the eye area. For anyone looking for an effective eye moisturizer that instantly improves the look of the eye area, concerned with moisturization, lines and wrinkles, and dark circles for all skin types, and it is ½ ounce. Then we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Dark Circles No More Triple Acid Spot Minimizing Concentrate. It has a $71 value. In refills, it will only be $22.90, and it is US and Canada only. And unfortunately, we will see a lot of that. Say goodbye to stubborn dark spots. This triple acid concentrate is powered by niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and azelaic acid derivatives to visibly reduce the look of discoloration and uneven tone. Gentle yet effective, it targets spots on the face, neck, chest, or hands. Just don't forget the SPF for best results. Powered by OxyBlock SF, a scientifically advanced brightening complex suitable for all skin types and ethnicities. This highly concentrated gel combines 3 potent acids to inhibit melanin production, accelerate cellular turnover, and deliver visible, long-lasting results. And it is 15 ml. Then we have the Olaplex number 4P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. It has a $32 value, but it will be a $12.60 refill. Keep your blonde cool and bright with this purple powerful shampoo. Formulated to neutralize brassiness and enhance tone, it gently cleanses while restoring softness and strength. Use 2 to 3 times a week for hair that looks salon fresh longer. This ultra concentrated purple shampoo reduces breakage and hydrates as it cleanses and tones from roots to end. Use number 4P to neutralize brassy hair and yellow tones for brighter, softer, stronger blonde hair, gray hair, or highlighted hair. Effective on natural and color-treated hair, and it is 8.5 ounces. Next, we have the Hilma Occasional Heartburn and Indigestion Relief. It has a $20 value, and it is a $10 refill. It is US only, and it says, say goodbye to that too full feeling. These clean, non-chalky tablets provide fast-acting relief from occasional heartburn and indigestion using a blend of gentle ingredients like calcium carbonate, ginger, and fennel. Made without dyes, parabens, or artificial sweeteners, just effective, clean support when you need it. We only use natural ingredients that relieve occasional heartburn and indigestion. If pregnant, nursing, or taking medication, consult a doctor before use, and you will receive 28 capsules. Then we have the Wonder Belly Strawberry Milkshake Antacid Tablets or Fruity Cereal Antacid Tablets. They are US only. They are $11.99 on the site. In refills, they will be $6.90. And it says, meet your new medicine cabinet essential. The strawberry milkshake or fruity cereal flavored antacid tablets from Wonder Belly deliver fast relief from heartburn, acid indigestion, and upset stomach without the chalky taste or sketchy ingredients. Made with clean, dye-free, talc-free, and aluminum-free formulas, they work quickly and taste like a treat, and you will have 60 tablets. Then we have the Sexy Big Hair Dry Shampoo. It is a $21.95 value, and it will be $9.10 in refills. It is US and Canada only. This lightweight dry shampoo instantly refreshes your hair by absorbing excess oil, buildup, and odors. No wash necessary. It adds body and volume while extending the life of your style, all without leaving a white residue. Perfect for a second or third day hair that still wants to turn heads. Time to hit refresh? Dry shampoo adds volume and body for up to 48 hours to refresh hair without ever getting into the shower. Formulated for all hair types from fine to coarse, this residue-free, transparent formula absorbs oils, impurities, and product buildup. Perfect for life on the move. It is cruelty-free, and it is 3.4 ounces. I love it says it's, as a darker-haired girly, I love it says it's transparent. Then we have the Sexy Hair Big Powder Play. It is a $21.95 value, also $9.10. And it says this weightless volumizing powder adds instant lift and texture right at the roots for fuller, more voluminous hair. Just a sprinkle transforms limp strands into big, bold styles that last all day. Great for quick touch-ups or adding drama without heat or heavy products. More powder and volume to you. Powder Play volumizing and texturizing powder adds body and lift to even baby fine hair. Simply apply to the roots of dry hair for lift, or sprinkle throughout for body, separation, texture, and the appearance of added volume. Colorless, odorless, and residue-free, this transparent formula is ideal for all hair colors. To reactivate, simply massage into your locks for the appearance of thicker hair, and it is 0.53 ounces. Then we have the Sexy Hair Spray and Play Harder Hairspray. It is a $22.95 value. It is a $10.80 refill. It is US and Canada only, and it says formulated for all hair types. Spray and Play Harder Firm Volumizing Hairspray is a flake-free, super hold hairspray. All work and no spray is just not okay. Formulated for all hair types, it provides up to 10 times the volume and lift with a hold that lasts up to 120 hours. FYI, that's 5 days. And it is 10 ounces. Then we have the Elemis travel-sized Rose Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. It has an $18 value. It is $10.80 in refills. It is 20 grams, so it's a travel size. Immerse yourself in the floral delights of an English country garden. The #1 best-selling Elemis Cleansing Balm. It is infused with English Rose Oleo Extract for petal soft skin. Journey through 3 indulgent textures in one. The rich balm melts into a luxurious oil when gently massaged into the skin before transforming into a hydrating milk on contact with water. The unique formula effortlessly removes long wear makeup, daily grime, and surface pollutants, and it deep cleanses and softens as a facial mask. Packed with a trio of nourishing plant oils, elderberry, Optimega, and bee-friendly starflower oil, and our superhero algae Badana pavonica, it leaves the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. And the last refill is the Linhart Tooth Whitener Gel. It has a $28 value. It is a $7.90 refill, and it is US and Canada only. This easy-to-use product fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Just add it to your toothpaste for a whitening boost. Its effective formula helps remove stains and enhance your natural brightness without the hassle of complicated applications. Perfect for those on the go. This gel makes achieving a radiant smile as simple as brushing your teeth. It is 1.7 ounces, and it says how to use. Just add a drop of our Smooth Mint Peroxide Based Gel on top of your normal toothpaste and brush normally twice a day, every day. So those are the refills that are being added to the refills that we already know about for our Fabfitfun Fall Box. I will put all of the information down below along with discount codes for the Fall Fabfitfun box if you would like to sign up or go over and check it out. Thank you so much for coming by. Tomorrow we have Boost. If you have any questions, let me know below. I am in and out. My mom is having some surgery today. So be sure if you have a question to use a question mark because YouTube will tell me that there are questions. It's a link that I can click on to see if there are any questions, but I have found it's most effective if there is a question mark. Okay. I know that's a weird thing to talk about. Thanks again for coming by. I appreciate you all taking the time to be here, and I will see you again tomorrow with Boots. Take care, guys.